Vibfast offers happiness that is pure, uncompromised, aesthetical, and full of colors. We manufacture products with the technology and machinery imported from the world leaders in food industry. Our manufacturing facility is based in Ahmedabad, the financial capital of Gujarat, India. Our highly qualified technocrats perform quality checks at every stage of production, ensuring that the complete products meet the standard quality criteria. Our fully automatic production in 4-side sealed pouch is suitable for packaging very hygienic color for home and industry use. This helps in reducing costs and material loss with the unwind auto tension control with Stringent Quality Controls. Our technical team is equipped with a state-of-the-art laboratory. We use the best mode for our customers' cargo that is applicable for their consignment. Vibfast offers its supermarket customers several competitive advantages by offering high stability level, high coloring strength, good reproducibility, economic pouch packaging. Our pouch contains permitted synthetic food colors, very easy to use. The powder can be squirted easily to color all kinds of water-soluble food products.